welcome to our factory. Our factory is located inside this building. Let me show you a factory tour. Let me show you around. We have 16 injection molding machine, and one machine daily output is around 5,000 pieces. Model. Okay, here let's move to the other areas. This is another workshop, handmaking areas, handmaking. And this one and this workshop is about star filling, starring. And it is starring. That is this one. Then step into buying workshop, buying production workshop. One machine is around daily output is around 15,000 pieces. And here, over there is our pattern cleaning. This area is about pattern cleaning, and about here. Another workshop is about the painting area. Let me show you. Here, this workshop is about this workshop is about the painting area, and another one I will move into QC and the handing assembly line, and about the cutting line. So I need to handmade. And here is about another workshop is about the casting, TPR casting for jewelry, mochi, these products. Something similar like this. Now let's move to another floor. Finished products stacked here, and some packing. The floor. This one, that one is about this one is about the filling, about the water-based filling. Can you see water-based filling? And here is about the QC and the packing. I'll show you. This one here. So assembly line, about the assembly line and QC and the packing areas. All the finished products will stay here.